if you're a mechanic or just a do-it-yourselfer working on your own vehicle, Harbor Freight is a great place for cheap tools, and a lot of them come with lifetime warranties. I got the 1.5 ton aluminum rapid pump, basically like a racing jack. It's very lightweight, low profile, Pittsburgh Automotive, on sale right now for $69.99. And if you're looking for a good 1/2-inch impact wrench that is electric, the one right here, the Earthquake XT, is very good. It's got 1,200 foot-pounds breakaway right there for $279. Comes with the impact, battery, nice little case, and the charger. All at Harbor Freight. So we got the rapid pump 1.5 ton, so 1.5 ton rapid pump low profile jack from Harbor Freight, and we are opening it up to see what it is inside. Looks like I gotta cut the tape off here. Let me see. Alright, slide right off. Alright. Looks like it comes with the owner's manual. We're not gonna worry about that. You have the 2 poles, one here with the grip on it, and the other one here which is where your hand goes. Let's see. Looks like it just pops right in place on here. The little press pin, press that in, pop it right on down, it locks in place. Once you do that, I'm going to pull it out here. And I like this because it's got a nice little handle right here, so it's easy to carry around. Nice, really lightweight jack. It's not very heavy. It's got a block in here that protects it from coming up to make it easier, so when it's boxed, make it a little bit easier. Put it on here, and I'm gonna push it down a little, take this block out there, and tighten it up. It's like it's got a pin here that holds the handle in place. Oh, I didn't get it into it. Alright, so once you got it in place, tighten the pin up, and it locks it in so it doesn't work. It doesn't come out. Come up. For a low profile, it actually looks like it lifts fairly hard, or fairly high. I'm going to try to use it on the vehicle for the first time. Alright guys, so I got it up underneath there like that there. Let's try it out. Doesn't look like it's that bad. Looks like it raised it pretty much enough to where I can get underneath it the way it should be. Not too bad. This is a Nissan Murano, so it actually lifted it decently far, so I can get up under there and get the jack stand in place. For what I need to do, I'm going to be working on the oil pan gasket, so that actually worked out for me. Gave me enough. But like I said, guys, 1.5 ton rapid pump racing floor jack, Harbor Freight, only $69. You can't lose.